This video is to anybody who's got this boiler. I'm going to show you what the buttons do. So first of all, you see you've got a hot water symbol there. Press that symbol and you can set the temperature. I normally like to set it about 50 degrees. I've set it to 49 there. So this one here is the radiator symbol. It's how hot your radiators get to touch. Yeah, so the hotter you get this, the higher you get this, the hotter your radiators are going to get. Yeah. So I normally set that between 60 to 70 degrees. Now the larger your radiators, the lower you want this. The smaller your radiators, the higher you want this. Now if you want to know how much water pressure you've got in this boiler, you can look at this gauge here. As long as it's between these two dots, you're fine. If you want to be more specific, press this button once, press it twice. It tells you right there what it is, 1.3. Should be anywhere between, no actually 0.8 to 3 is a bit too high. So you want it about 1.5 bar when it's cold, yeah, when the heating's not on. But that's fine. My advice is don't touch the boiler until you get a fault code. I think it's F22 in these, which say low water pressure, and then top it up. Lastly, if you get any issues with the boiler, you want to reset it, just press this button here.